The most common method is the steering wheel button. Locate the microphone icon on the left side of your steering wheel. Pressing this button activates voice input mode. You'll see a blue microphone icon appear on the touch screen and hear a chime, indicating the system is ready to listen. This is ideal for safe, hands-free operation while driving. Alternatively, you can tap the microphone icon on the central touchscreen display. This method is useful when you're already interacting with the screen or parked. Simply tap the icon to initiate voice command mode. Remember, using the steering wheel button is generally safer while driving. Tesla's voice assistant can also be activated using the wake word, "Hey Tesla," or regional equivalents. This feature is enabled by default in recent updates. The car's microphones are always listening for this phrase, processing the audio locally on the vehicle's onboard computer to protect your privacy. Once you say, "Hey Tesla," the system will respond and await your command. Now that you know how to activate voice command, let's look at some examples. You can use voice commands for navigation. Say something like, "Navigate to downtown" to get directions. For media control, use commands like "Play jazz music on Spotify" to start your favorite tunes while driving. For climate control, say "Set temperature to 72 degrees" to keep the cabin comfortable without touching controls. For vehicle functions, say "Open frunk" to access storage without stopping. For best results, speak clearly and use specific phrasing. Avoid ambient noise and use natural language. To maximize the effectiveness of Tesla's voice command system, speak clearly in a quiet cabin. Avoid ambient noise like loud music. Use specific phrasing, like "Call John on mobile," instead of a vague request. The AI learns your preferences over time, so the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding you. Tesla's system now supports over 50 languages and dialects, with real-time translation for multilingual users. Tesla's voice control is constantly evolving. The integration of Grok allows for more conversational interactions. The system now supports over 50 languages and dialects, with real-time translation for multilingual users. Future updates may include gesture recognition and AR overlays. Tesla is investing in Edge AI chips for faster processing and reduced latency. Edge AI makes Tesla a leader in secure, responsive voice commands, outpacing cloud-dependent systems. If you're experiencing issues, ensure your microphone is enabled in settings and that there's no obstruction. Keep your software updated for the latest features and improvements. Voice control in Tesla Model 3 is a powerful tool for enhancing safety and convenience. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.